Hello, how are you?
I'm fine.
Now it's time to practice English. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Yeah, okay. Start from practicing to does.
I do, you do, they do, we do, she does, it does. I do, you do, they do, we do, he does, it does.
Yes, great. Now practice have and has. Have and has.
I have, you have, they. I have, you have, they have, we have. She has, he has, they, it has.
Yes, great. And now practice didn't.
Didn't, didn't.
Yes.
I didn't, you didn't, they didn't, we didn't, she didn't, we did, he didn't, it didn't.
Wow, that's great. And now practice don't and doesn't.
I don't, you don't.
Great.
Get it?
Yeah, continue.
Continue. I don't, you don't, they don't, we don't. Doesn't?
Yeah.
I doesn't.
No.
He doesn't. He doesn't. He doesn't. It doesn't.
Wow, great. You corrected your mistake on your own. That's great. And now it's time to practice did. Did.
Did.
Yeah. Let me say once and you will follow me. I did, you did, they did, we did, she did, he did, it did.
Did.
Yeah.
I did. You did. They did. We did. She did. He did. It did.
Great. Come on. Come on. That's great, my daughter. Now, what else you want to try? What you want to practice? Another.
Another? I have.
Okay.
I have. You have. They have. We have. She. She no?
Yes.
She doesn't. She.
What you're practicing? You're practicing have and has, right? I have, you have, they have, we have, she has, he has, it has. Say it again.
No. I have. You have. They have. We have.
Has. Continue. Has. She has.
She has. He does.
She has. She has.
She has.
He has. It has. Great. Okay. And now, Hulu. What else? Let me ask you. Just practice.
I didn't.
Yeah. Okay.
I didn't. You didn't. They Then didn't, we didn't, she didn't, he didn't, it didn't.
Wow, that's great. Okay. Don't and doesn't.
Don't.
And doesn't.
I don't, you don't, then don't, we don't.
She
She?
doesn't.
She doesn't, he doesn't, it doesn't.
Wow, that's great. Let me kiss you. Come on. Apple pie, chocolate, candy, banana for my daughter. Okay? Okay? Because you are clever.
Papa.
Biscuit?
Yes.
Okay, I'll buy. I'll buy.
Mango.
Hmm? Mango? Why? Do you like mango?
Yeah.
Tell me what fruits do you like? What fruits do you like? What?
እኔ ትላንት አቡሽ ሲገዛ እሱ እኮ ይጣፍጣል።
ምኑ?
የእሱ ማንጎ የአቡሽ ማንጎ
አቡሽ
የአቡሽ ማንጎ ይጣፍጣል።
እሱ የማንጎ ማሳ አለው እንዴ?
አዎ
አዎ። አቡሽ ውሸት የለውም። ከየት አምጥቶ? አባያ አባያ ነው ያለው? አዲስ አበባ ነው። አዲስ አበባ ማሳ አለ ለአቡሽ? እና ኮሪደር ልማት አላፈረሰም? ማሳ አለው አቡሽ? የሚገርም ነው። ያንቺስ ማሳ አለሽ?
አዎ።
እና ምን ፍራፍሬ ምን አለሽ?
አፕል ማንጎ።
Do you have apple fruit and mango fruit on your farm?
Yes.
Wow, that's great. That's great. Okay, now it's enough for today.